Hi, I'm Katie Sweeney, and I'm going to show you how to make a fresh berry topping to serve over vanilla ice cream. We've got 3 cups of fresh summer berries here. It's a mixture of strawberries that I've sliced into pieces, cherries that I've pitted, and fresh blueberries. We're going to pour them into a saute pan, or actually, this is a saucepan, sorry about that. Pour them into a saucepan, and we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon. So you just use the microplane, which gets all the zest, and you don't really want any of the white part because it doesn't taste as good as the yellow part, which has the lemon's essential oils, which are necessary to giving this a nice acidic tang. So when using a microplane, make sure to scrape the back. See all that good stuff there? We want to get that into our sauce. We've got our lemon zest in, and now we're gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. You can use a fork, but I find that a juicer, a cocktail shaker juicer just works the best, and it's the easiest for getting the most juice out of our lemon. So we got the juice in, and we're gonna add 1/3 cup of sugar because these berries are in season and they're actually pretty sweet. I got them yesterday at the farmer's market. We're gonna give this a stir, and then we're gonna put it over the stove and let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. So we just took our berry mixture off the stove, and it's simmered for a good 10 minutes, and now it's nice and liquidy, and we're gonna put it in the food processor and turn it into a sauce. When working with a hot liquid, be very careful not to burn yourself. And to do that, we're gonna just put the food processor, the lid on, and we're gonna cover the top with a little towel. And then here we go. So now we've got our sauce, and to strain out the skins and maybe a little bit of the seeds, we're gonna pour it through with a little wooden spoon. Let's strain, and then we'll have a nice, pourable, beautiful colored sauce. So we've poured our delicious, smooth, cherry, blueberry, and strawberry sauce over some vanilla ice cream, and I cannot wait to taste this. You guys, it's absolutely delicious. For more recipes like this, please go to my website, 6twist.wordpress.com. I'm Katie Sweeney. Thanks for watching.